Okay, after that incredible 90 minutes, France to Morocco 0. This is not the same Morocco we used to know or we used to see in their previous game. In fact, the performances they put against Brazil and the rest team, they didn't play it today. I don't know whether they are that fear factor that France knocked them out last World Cup, followed them to this match. They try to sit deep and hit France on the counter, though it almost worked. But this France team that looks complete from their attack to their midfield to their defense, it is always very hard to penetrate their midfield and their defense. So you cannot hit them on the counter. See this France team, they are the most complete team in this tournament. In fact, today they didn't play to their best. But you still see this France team, see progress. That is how good they are.